Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the JMK Garage. In case you're new to the channel or haven't been following along, I picked up this 2002 Honda XR50 last fall for a good price as it was in poor shape and in need of work. This was shortly after losing to a hot dog in a pit bike race using our daughter's bike, essentially identical to this one. I'll link that video in the top right corner instead of trying to explain that race. I figured to save from the embarrassment again, I would get my own bike to build up and hopefully be a little more competitive during the next pit bike race. Also, our youngest son had just turned 1, so I figured adding another bike to the garage for him to ride in a couple years wasn't unreasonable and would help justify this purchase. It was probably only a matter of a few days or hours later that I ordered a high compression big bore kit with race cam and larger carburetor from Fat MX, as well as new plastics and various other new parts to give this bike a refresh. It took me some time to find the motivation to start the process, but once I did, having the experience with these bikes allowed me to rebuild it to look near new again in a little time. As I mentioned in my last video, I was planning to have the frame powder coated, but after getting it cleaned up, I realized that wasn't necessary, especially considering that this bike was going to be ridden hard. So I opted to just repaint the parts in my garage. Also, as mentioned earlier, this isn't my first Honda 50 build, so I skipped over recording the full restoration process as I've already done and shared that before. This allowed me to focus on making good progress rather than filming and editing something that I've already done in the past. As you can see, the bike looks new and runs great. The only thing left to do yet is to swap these dirt tires for the Pirelli Angel street tires that I bought from Royal Distributing, which will help with traction in the next pit bike race in the asphalt. Until then, I'll just keep embarrassing myself as I practice these wheelies. As always, thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to the channel to help support these builds. Ride safe, and we'll catch you guys later.
Like the bike? Give it some revs.
What?
Give it some revs.
What is that?
Give it some revs. Rev it up.
Why?
Because it won't go anywhere. More.
No, it just tumbled. Oh no, I guess there is a split. You're right, there is a split. Two splits. It needs another piece in between.
Turn around.